In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps directions. First, open Google Maps. On a computer, head to the website in your browser. On a phone, open the Google Maps app. If you allow location access, Maps can detect your current position, which makes planning quicker. You don't have to sign in, but being signed in helps because saved places like home and work will appear as suggestions in search. Next, click or tap the directions button. On desktop, it's near the search bar and looks like a diamond with an arrow. On mobile, you'll see directions on the bottom bar or on a place's info card. This opens the directions panel where you'll enter your starting point and your destination. Type your starting location in the first box. You can use a full address, a place name, or choose your current location if it's detected. If Maps guesses incorrectly, click this small target icon to recenter on where you are. You can also click or long press the map to drop a pin and set that as your start. If you accidentally reverse the order, use the swap arrows to flip start and destination instantly. Now enter your destination in the second box. As you type, Google Maps shows suggestions with addresses and landmarks. Pick the exact match to place the pin accurately. Check the city and state to avoid similar names, especially in large metro areas. If you recently searched this place, it will likely appear at the top of the list. Choose your transportation mode. The icon row lets you switch between driving, public transit, walking, and cycling. Each mode adjusts the route and timing. Transit shows lines, stops, and departures. Walking favors pedestrian paths. Cycling considers bike lanes and elevation where available. For driving or cycling, open route options to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries if that suits your preferences or budget. Google Maps usually offers multiple routes. Compare the estimated time, distance, and traffic colors. Green means smooth, orange or red indicates delays. You can hover over or tap each option to preview the path. If you are on desktop, you can gently drag the route line to steer around a road you'd rather skip. Planning ahead? Set a departure or arrival time to see how traffic or schedules could affect your ETA. Once you've picked a route, review the step-by-step directions in the left panel on desktop, or by swiping up on mobile, you'll see clear turn-by-turn instructions, street names, lane guidance on major roads, and notices for construction or closures. Click into steps to preview intersections, zoom the map to confirm landmarks, and if needed, print or save the directions for later. With that, you're set to follow your chosen route confidently and efficiently.